Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chrysler 300 door. To begin, use your key fob to remotely unlock all the doors. Then, simply grasp the exterior door handle and pull it firmly towards you. Always ensure your vehicle is in park before you attempt to exit for your safety and convenience. If your key fob battery is dead, you can still access your Chrysler 300. First, locate the hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. Insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Give the key a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door and gain entry. Opening your Chrysler 300 door from the inside is straightforward. Simply pull the interior door handle towards you. For rear doors, be aware that child safety locks might be engaged, preventing opening from the inside. You can usually find the child lock switch on the door's edge when it's open. If your Chrysler 300 door seems stuck, first check for any obstructions around the door frame or latch. Sometimes, a small object can prevent it from opening. Try applying gentle, consistent pressure while pulling the handle. If the door still won't open, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.